Oh my gosh. This guy has aura. Let's continue with the aura farm mode. Oh my god, we have aura. We have aura, guys! It's right! We both have auras. Lagging. We both have aura. We're the best players in the whole game. Even I know how to juke. Get the bombs and the rocks. He deserves it. Okay, get this balloon. They ring bombas. Oh no! Oh my god! I hit him. I just hit him. Bro, he's a camper. It was kill the killer, but we lost. Everyone hates him. For real. Because he camps. How many wins does this kid have? What? He's the person with the most wins. The one with the OG emote. The aura farm. Wait! Yes! We kept curves. I will have to go play, bro. Just looking to that direction. Wait.
They don't know me, son! Get it! Hey, they don't know me, son!
He has aura. Yeah. Now! Oh, guys. What the heck? Oh, okay. These kids doesn't know how to play the game. Is that the purpose of the game? Resetting when you're the killer, huh? This one. I mean that one. I forgot. But the hospital is the biggest map in this. Okay. The killer will spawn right over there. No, I hate that killer. No, okay, it's scammy. I need to hide now. It's scammy. It's scammy. And that one. Wait, is that me outside? Oh my gosh! Just found someone! I just found my fat twin! Just found my fat twin brother outside. He's so buff and fat. Oh, doesn't know how to play the games. See, let's check outside. Oh my god, that's so Asian. Oh no. Oh no! Oh, the camper dead. Ha ha ha. Who's a camper? Ugly. But hopefully he killed the dummy camper. He deserves it. Oh my gosh! You don't deserve that! I will confront that. Oh no! No, I was too late. What the heck? That dancing? Bros, can somebody just revive me already? No one's so nice. Oh, come on. Tisha! No, dude. Zayn, thank you! You just returned to kindness. Bro. He wasn't actually. Okay, let's play another. That guy is so dumb. Doesn't he know how to do it? Just hold that. Let's go to another game. I hope this. Oh, only if I recorded when our bills in this game, the vaccines, was actually saved and never removed yet. But first, I need to tell my friend that our bills and vaccines are gone. Okay, so that was where our hardest work in the world. Right side. Oh god.
Speaking up about it.
Quick! Oh my god, that was so scary. That was freezing the slot. I already know how to play. Brian upgrade. Where do you buy up? I build stairs. Build 5 stairs. Okay, let's buy more it. And plus we. Oh no. 6, 7 thing of them. That's like the thing. Oh my gosh. Okay. Hard work. I will bring the build stairs. Let's build one. What is this is cash. Upgrade. Okay, I have for a second. Are these there? Oh, it doesn't have collision. So maybe that's cheating. It's just brainwash. Only do you give me? How do I win? What? Oh no. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh! How come you don't know it? Let's close it. Legendary has spawned in the mirror. We'll find some Kid of Zero, Cappuccino Assassino. I find it. Oh! New Pepe Kiwi. New Pepe. I don't think there's any settings. There's no settings. Let's try getting all of this. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I don't know. These two will make me a trillionaire. I could make infinity dollars with that. Let's build stair. Okay. In the Pacific. These two. Do you give me? Oof, more upgrade. 355 per second. By the way, I only play this game because my friend is playing this game. But my secret was I actually hate brain rot games. Okay, the next one is what? Let's just hope there's some good stuff here. Like it gives me $1 million. Plaza, I need to go back to my base. I have it. No way! I have this Pini Duda Bombaya. Let me see it again. No way! Getting richer every minute. Wow! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! You're joking. Let's wait until. Wait. That's scary. 100 million? Are you kidding me? Wait. It's been 100 million seconds and I haven't claimed the money they gave me yet. Oh my god! Let's go to the water. Okay, let's get one. This is all. You can be my new favorite. I think I need to get past this one as well. I have a ballerina cappuccino. I have a ballerino cappuccino and a ballerina cappuccina. And please, this there. And this. Okay, how many? Oh my gosh! I'm gonna be a trillionaire using this stuff. It's the highest speed possible. Okay, let's build more stairs. Okay, there's legendary in the rare area. Let's hope I get it. It's the legendary. The legendary. Oh, fire the Cola. That's my type. The H? Oh my gosh.
Burr, Peppa Pig.
Look at this. Oh gosh. No way. No way. I got it. Maybe this one. Oh. Early on. The rare has spotted. Okay, let's bring this thing to the toilets. What? That's how much you give me? Wow, how many do? Oh my gosh, you're gonna make me rich. Oh my gosh, you're my favorite. You're the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in the world. I mean, ugly, yes, because I hate brainrots like you. But I only like brainrots for good money. But this is my money in real life. Banana. How many? Oh no. Need more money. Need to drop money. Dropping out my money. Let's build more stairs. And I got even more brain rots that. Wait, what was that rarity for that one again? It's rarity. What? 1 billion? Oh, it's just rare. Let's spin the bee. Let's spin the. Okay. Okay. You're so good. How many floors does this kitty have? Is this house? Whose base is? Whose plot is that? It's just a crystal. Whoa, that whose plot is that? Wait, I wish I had more speed than this. I hate that 670. Get out of here, 67. I hear 67 again. Even somebody that's on the linear color. I hate the 67 nonsense. The 67 nonsense is getting out of hand. And the 67, 67, 67, 67. What about this one? Or this one? This one. What about this? Oh my god.